Assalamualaikum. My name is Mio Hakimi Biamyosaha. This video made purpose to answer the online assignment LOG 2633. For the first question, the network carrier run a network of scheduled air service between the airport and the rest of the world. These hubs are located in the nation of registration to optimize the amount of air traffic right after to them. Passenger and freight can make single or multiple flight to transport between any place on its network. Alliance partner can fly one or more legs of a multi-sector journey and sell sector they don't fly using their partner airline codes. Thus, they could fly a circuitous multi-sector routes via the network airlines hub airport to obtain an attractive fare. Air cargo is even more sweet to such circuitous routing in return for an acceptable end-to-end delivery time and price. This is because the shipper forwarder those do not need to know the routing as long as the courier deliver on the contract. The next is how integrated cargo network operate. The integrated cargo network was operated on the following main character, which is door-to-door. Door-to-door service provide reliable economic end-to-end logistic solution, helping business maximize their potential. Integrated also offer a range of courier service so that customer can pick the desired service according to their demand. Next is fast and reliable transport. Even for those companies that have already made some of necessary investment, these are tremendous obstacle to entry. Airline, for example, do not have access to surface transportation infrastructure, while freight forwarder have access to airport and aircraft. The third is guaranteed delivery time. The delivery period of goods is more secure when the integrated cargo perform their service with standardized the route and time. So the delivery time will be more accurate and the cargo recipient will be able to make initial preparation to receive their goods. And last is tracking system. The integrated market has been at a national or regional level, but entering the generally global market currently necessitates a significant investment in plant, car, IT system and handling infrastructure in a variety of countries. Tracking system is necessary to track the cargo to give the customer more trusted with integrated cargo network. The second question. Low-cost carrier is an airline that is operated with an especially high emphasis on minimizing operating costs and without sound of traditional service and amenities provided in the fare, resulting in the low fare and fewer comfort. The first idea is direct flight. Airlines often offer a simpler fare scheme, such as charging one-way ticket half that of round trip. Typically, fare increase as the plane fill up, which reward yearly reservation. This save cost and ease through the encourage passenger to take direct flight. Tickets are not sold with transfer, so the airline can avoid responsibility for passenger connection in the event of a delay. Next is rapid flight turnover. More flight per day and less ground time. This type of flight can attractive user who want to travel at an unscheduled time because there are more flight per day and it's very suitable for those who have important affair to attend. Often, low-cost carrier fly to smaller, less congested secondary airport and fly to airport during off-peak hour to avoid air traffic delay. So can say that this type of carrier is less grounded time and takes advantage of lower landing fees. The last is additional service charge. Many passengers are also restrictive to carry on luggage only when using low fare ticket. Passenger will be charged extra for checking in or have to pay huge fees for excess baggage. More and more airlines are stating to charge a fee to bring a carry-on bag, or they are indirectly charging for carry-on bag by not permit them on their lowest class fare. Most bags with a sum of length, width and height of greater than 62 inches will fall into the oversized category. Oversized baggage fees are charged in addition to any standard excess or overweight fee. Question 3. Airlines around the world compete to attract consumers to use their service and product. Many airline companies out there manage to make variety of offer, make sure customers will only use their service in doing many different deliveries. Same like Etihad Airways that strive to provide the best and most diverse service to facilitate customer. As a result, the first product that provided by Etihad Airways is pharmaceutical shipment. This type of service provides the transportation of pharmaceutical very seriously. That were the first carrier in the Middle East to be awarded IATA Center of Excellence for Independent Level Validator Certificate in Pharmaceutical Logistics. Using specially designed temperature control equipment, Etihad Airways ship its pharmaceutical in the quickest possible time, adhering to highest compliance guidelines. As in the last time we have seen the occurrence of a pandemic that hit the whole world, that is COVID-19, where the service for the delivery of COVID vaccine need to be expedited and request extra process to maintain the condition of the medicine. So Etihad Airways has all the equipment that necessary to make sure medicine is safely arrived. For example, like temperature controlled storage and cargo hold temperature device in the cargo to provide the appropriate temperature. The following product is Fresh Forward. This service is designed to make the process of moving fresh fruit, vegetable, dairy, fish, meat and flour simple. Etihad Airways were the first carrier in the Middle East and second globally to be awarded the IATA Fresh Certificate. So you can trust that fresh product will be transported safely. As we all know, fresh food products are among the items that spoil quickly and they need to careful care. So Etihad Airways will make sure all the product is fresh in care by providing temperature controlled storage space. Etihad Airways also will ensure that items that need to ship immediately must go through shipment transported from aircraft to storage with propriety. The next product is Safeguard. This service is preferred to the delivery that need security advance because it is designed to service for transporting valuable cargo. It guarantees that the most precious items are shipped with the high degree of care and security case of industry equipment, large quantity of high-tech, electronic or pharmaceutical. In any event, every shipper is interested in ensuring that his valuable cargo is delivered on time with complete safety and minimal risk of loss and thief. But we don't have to worry because Etihad Airways has unique way to handle the item for information. The shipper that using Etihad Airways service, the item will be shipment storage in secure, vaulted area, accessible only by authorized staff. The item will priority boarding and offloading with alert and security escort to make sure there will be no doubt in managing the security item. The last product by Etihad Airways is Live Animals. This time a special way to manage is very necessary because it involves living being. Transport animal by air is by far the fastest and safest method of travel. Etihad Cargo offer customized solution for transport animal, from family pets to a global conservation project. And when transport pets and animal with Etihad Cargo, the airway company will make sure strictly follow the adhere to all regulation to ensure the safest treatment of all species ensured in care. Etihad Airways will make sure climate control and pressurized compartment to ensure maximize comfort for the animal in the aircraft hold, and also dedicated vehicle available for bulk hold loading to transport animal between the aircraft and animal handling facility. Question 4. The demand of air freight is gained by product and service that provided by the company. This question concerns the issue of air cargo capacity, which is that as traffic pick up, freight rate can quickly rise as capital shortage arise on the same route. So this was an opinion on what the airway can make in way of regaining air freight demand. First, a cargo-friendly airport. which means that amount of infrastructure is being higher or expanding. Infrastructure is the most significant requirement to make compared to other companies. Therefore, if Etihad Cargo invests more in it, the company will undoubtedly benefit, not only for the sake of profit, but also for the sake of company reputation. For example, upgrade the system of ticket buying to be more advanced and more easy to deal with. It will attract the customer to using easy system to make order of flight. Second, ISIS can also make an efficient networking. Communication is key to success in the freight forwarding business. One of the most significant advantages of providing an online platform for staying connected with the firm is the ability to communicate more easily. Many companies give you the opportunity to track your goods using a web application, which means you can monitor the status of your cargo from departure to arrival to keep constantly updated. The third is geographic location. It can give competitive advantage if an airport is close to other airports offering competing air cargo service and facilities. It can hinder an airport ability compete efficiency. The air freight also attract new service as the local demand. For example, flight to Japan have to demand of meat and fish, so the company can serve the new service like stock service. The last is research and development. R&D is not limited to product and development. It can also be applied to other areas such as transportation. As a result, it will improve its potential or performance in marketing, operating and management. In the other means, the company will always doing continually correction. It can make research by review from customer can be improved to give the best service. For example, company can collect the customer review from the official website and develop the team to solve the problem. Question 5. Various factors contributed to the performance of air cargo demand at this time is very related to GDP. A number of consumption needed and manufacturing sector, where air freight is relief open for timely distribution of material and high value input. Air cargo experience strong demand condition. Indeed, some manufacturing intensive economy reporting GDP growth mainly on account of that sector. Plus, in the current situation where COVID-19 is sweeping the whole world, has the potential impact on gross domestic product and trade. First, the supply stock reduced GDP through reduction in employment and capital, leading to lower production and export, as well as lower import due to lower income of household and shrinking production. When factories and production reduce their production, trade between countries at the same time will be affected due to lack of demand to trade, and this will affect air freight and air cargo demand. But under the agreement with Australian Trade and Investment Commission, the initiative has been established by Australian government to accelerate delivery of agriculture and fisheries export into key overseas market. With over 560 Australian business already registered their interest in utilize the International Freight Assistance Mechanism, Etihad Cargo can survive with the GDP condition of the country because have the demand. Second is, when GDP of country is low, it will give effect to the air cargo service as a with higher trade cost. The price of a unit of import and export increase and the competitiveness of manufacturing product decline due to high cost of exporting and high cost of input. At the same time, final goods price also increase. The rising trade cost represent a productivity loss since additional input are need to bring goods to their consumer instead of being available for consumption of investment. But in this time of crisis, Australia has been a long time and vital trading partner for UAE, and they are pleased to be able to continue provide this lifeline, connecting countries and enabling the movement of goods that is helping to save people life, supporting Australia product export and continue to support the UAE food security program. With this relationship made, then this will give an advantage to air cargo service provider who has given a tender to complete the trade between the country. That's all for me. Thank you.